Check, 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 check. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media, and this is Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. We are going to be flying a Cessna 172 and take a tour around downtown Houston. The flight will be taking off from Sugarland. We're just going to use the GPS to navigate. Let me see if I can bring the screen here. And we are going to be, if I can show you here, Sugarland is somewhere here, and we had to go all the way northeast here to downtown Houston. So we're just going to follow this path northeast, which will be in this direction by using GPS, and see if we can reach Houston downtown and explore the downtown area. All right, let us see now. Ooh, it is pretty dark. All right, let us see now. Let's get the show on the road here. Let's take off. Do the autopilot here. Autopilot, and we had to get the altitude, which is about 3,000 feet, and vertical speed 5,000. So we are on autopilot now. Now we're going to have to turn to get southeast. I can do this way manually. It is flying over the entire southwest part of Houston, or I can use the heading GPS to get where we want to go. But let us see how we're going to go here. Let's see if we can follow the freeway. It's going pretty good. Let's see where we are going. Where is our map? Okay, there we are. Here's 59 Southwest Freeway. So we're just a little bit to the north of it. So that's sometimes this GPS doesn't correspond to what actually is happening on the ground. All right, so it's going to head in the eastward direction, as you can see, and we are flying over this is Westheimer here, so we are just flying right over Westheimer, which will take us to downtown Houston. As you can see, this is 59 freeway going all the way to downtown Houston, and we are a little bit to the south. As you can see, we are just coming this side. So I need to go a little bit north now. So what I will do is change the direction here. So we're going here. We need to go towards a little less, like 60 degrees. So reduce this to, I need to take off this 60 degrees. So here is 59. We're going to, somehow the map doesn't match with, this is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is 610 Loop and 59 freeway. We are going a little bit south of 59, and we should be crossing this and going towards northeast. Okay, you can see we are pretty close here, so let us yep, right here we are in downtown. Let me zoom in here. Here's downtown, ladies and gentlemen. I think it looks pretty digitized. As you can see, we are right over Houston downtown, and this is I-45 going north, directly to the north of Houston. Let's see if we can just go around here. So this is downtown Houston, and we'll see if we can get close to the buildings here and come back. All right, so you get a glimpse of Houston downtown. Let's see if we can make a turn around the city here. Or Minute Maid Park. There you go. This is the Minute Maid Park right here, and we are just going around the downtown area. So we are coming back in the southwest direction. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you had a good, I hope you had a good trip. We'll see you next time. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.